Hi children, today I would like to explain 10th standard lesson 1. 10th standard lesson 1. Already we discussed in the previous lesson some of the topics. Now I would like to explain once again some new things for you. Today's topic is India and relief features. India and relief features. You know very well about which is our country. India is our country. Already I explained relief features. India can be divided into six major physical divisions. How many major physical divisions? India can be divided into six major physical divisions. What are they? There are the six. First one is the Himalayas. First one is the Himalayas. First of all, meaning of the relief features. Already I told what I told you in the previous chapter. Relief features means high and low level places on the surface of the earth. On the surface of the earth, some of the places are very high, some of the places are very low. These are totally called relief features. Did you understand? First of all, relief features. India is our country, that's why like that we have to discuss about from this lesson main especially given major physical divisions. There are the six major physical divisions. First one is the Himalayas. We will learn about that the Himalayas. First of all, what are Himalayas? Himalayas are mountains. Himalayas are mountains. Again, I would like to ask you, what are mountains? Mountains are hills that are very high. Mountains are hills that are very high level lands. Highlands. What is the length of the Himalayas in our country? What is the length of the Himalayas in our country? From the western to west to east, length in our country 2400 kilometers. 2400 kilometers. It is the length of the Himalayas in our country. What is the width of the Himalayas in our country? Width of the Himalayas in this region, western part and western region 500 kilometers, eastern region 200 kilometers. Width of the Himalayas in the western region in India 500. It is very broad. Western side is very broad. Himalayas are, and the like that eastern region is only 200 kilometers. Now Himalayas are again can be divided into three parallel ranges. What are they? Himadri. I wrote here already. Himadri are the greater Himalayas. First one is the Himadri or the greater Himalayas. Second one is the Himachal or the lesser Himalayas. Third one is the Shivaliks or the outer Himalayas. Himalayas can be divided into again three parallel ranges. Now we will discuss about the first region, Himadri or the greater Himalayas. It is the elevation of the Himalayas. Himadri range in the Himalayas elevation or the height of the this range 6100 meters. It is the northernmost range of the Himalayas. It is the northernmost high range. It is the northernmost range of the Himalayas. Second one is the Himachal or the lesser Himalayas. Second one is the Himalayas can be divided into again three parallel ranges. First range is the Himadri. It is the height of the 6100 meters. Second one is the Himachal. It is the lesser. It is also called lesser Himalayas. Second one is the. It is also called. It is the. What is the height of in this region? Southern part of Himadri. In this region situated southern part of the Himadri. Himadri range bottom part is known as the Himachal range. It is height. What is the height of this range? 3700 meters to 4500 meters. 3700 meters to 4500 meters. That's why again third one, like that third one is Shivaliks. Shivaliks are also called outer Himalayas. In this region, third region, this one is the Shivaliks of the. This is also called the outer Himalayas. It is situated, Shivalik situated southern part of the Himachal. First one Himadri, second one Himachal, third one Shivaliks are outer Himalayas. It is the southern part of the Himachal region. What is the height of the Shivaliks? Shivaliks are 900 to 1100 meters height. Shivaliks are 900 to 1100. What are the highest peaks in the Himadri range? In this range, first range is called the Himadri range. What are the highest peaks in the Himadri range? Mount Everest, Annapurna and Kanchenjunga, K2R, Godwin Austen are the highest range, highest mountains in this range. Mount Everest, you know very well. Which is the Mount Everest? Mount Everest is the very highest mountain in the world. It is the height of the, which is the height? What is the height of the Mount Everest? Mount Everest is the 8848 meters height. It is in Nepal. And like that, K2R, Godwin Austen are also situated in our country. And Kanchenjunga is also. Like that, Himadri range in this region is very height region. Height range. This range is the very height range. That's why Himadri range is also called the Himadri or the Greater Himalayas. Another one, second one, Lesser Himalayas. Lesser Himalayas. Himachal. This one is also known as the Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas. Lesser Himalayas in this region situated, say for example, Kulu and Kangra valleys also have in this region situated in the Mahabharata and Fir Panjal ranges also in this region only have. That's why these are very most important region. That's why these are very. What are the valleys lying between the region of the one mountain to another mountain? Valleys formed and flowing. Valleys formed. That's why what are the important valleys in this in the Himachal region? Important valleys are Himachal region. The valleys lying between the, what are the important valleys? Kulu and Kangra valleys. Did you understand? Kulu is one of the valley and Kangra is one of the valley. These both are, where is in Kulu and Kangra? Himachal region. These valleys are situated in Himachal region. Are the Himachal or the Lesser Himalayas. That's why it is in Mahabharata and Fir Panjal ranges also situated in Himachal range. And hill stations also have in this region. In the Lesser Himalayas, second one is the Lesser Himalayas or the Himachal. Lesser Himalayas are the, in this region situated, number of hill stations also have. What are the main hill stations in this region? Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet are the important hill stations in this region. And another important region, bottom part of the Himalayas region, or the third one is the Shivaliks or the outer Himalayas. It is already I told about that what is the height of the Shivaliks? 900 to 1100 meters only. First range, Himadri range is the 6100 meters above height. Mountains are called the Himadri or the Greater Himalayas. Second one is the Himachal. Third one is the Shivaliks. Did you understand? What are the important ranges in the Himalayas? What are the important ranges in the lesser Himalayas. Already I told lesser Himalayas important ranges Mahabharata and Pir Panjal. I wrote here also. Mahabharata and Pir Panjal ranges. And the Himalayas are the birthplaces of so many rivers. These are very so many rivers birthplaces. Say for example, in which rivers flowing in this region? How many rivers in this region in the Himalayas? From the Himalayas are the birthplaces of so many rivers. What are they? The Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, Himalayan rivers. And which are the youngest folded mountains in the world? Which are the youngest? I would like to ask. Which are the youngest folded mountains in the world? Himalayas are the youngest folded mountains in the world. Did you understand? In which part of, I would like ask another question also. I would like to ask you. In which part of Himalayas in India? In which part of Himalayas? Northern part of India. It is situated in northern part of India. That's why Himalayas. Where is Himalayas? Where is Himalayas? Himalayas situated in northern part of India. It is also in Nepal and another places also. Now, did you understand about the Himalayas? Himalayas can be divided into three parallel ranges. Already I told. From this lesson, another important also given, another peaks also, not only Himalayas only. In our country, another peaks also. What are the another peaks of given in this lesson? Say for example, from this lesson given Dodabetta. Dodabetta is also highest peak in southern India. Where this place Dodabetta is located in Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet place is called the eastern edge of the India, western part and the eastern part. Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meeted place is called the Nilagiri Hills. It is in Dodabetta is in Nilagiri Hills. It is in one of the Indian state in situated in Dodabetta, highest peak situated in Tamil Nadu state. Situated in Tamil Nadu state. And like that, another important peak also given in this region. What are the Anaimudi? Anaimudi is a mountain. Anaimudi is also one of the highest peak in South India. It is one of the great mountain in South India. It is where it is situated. Where situated Anaimudi? Where is situated? Anaimudi is mountain located in the one of the Indian state in Kerala. It is the highest peak in the Western Ghats. It is the highest peaks in the Western Ghats and the southern part of India. It is the height. What is the height of the Anaimudi? 2695 meters. 2695 meters. First of all, one time reminder, what are mountains? Mountains are very highlands, very height lands. Himalayas, that's why Himalayas also known as the mountains. It is very, in this region, in the Himalayan region, very highest mountains and very highest peaks also is there. That's why, did you understand the India can be divided into six major physical divisions. What are they? There are the Himalayas. First major physical division, northern part of India. It is situated in northern part of India, Himalayas. Did you understand about that? We will learn so much of remaining the northern plains and coastal plains and desert region and the western Ghats and the eastern Ghats. We will learn next class. Thank you.